Gloria Brooks, founder of Nature Glow's eScience here. Today I want to reach out to you and ask you what it is, or what is your biggest problem in your homeschool math this year so far. Some of you are new homeschoolers. Some of you are, have been homeschooling for maybe a year or two. And then others of you are veterans. But in over and over, I keep hearing math seems to be the biggest hitch in the homeschool community. Second being science. Now, what I teach with Nature Glow's eScience is I teach an online course called Math Art. It's designed to be year-long, and it has a backbone of history. We start with ancient history, and then I walk the students up into modern history, mathematics history. But we're not talking about that right now. I want to talk about you. Let me refocus. Okay. So yeah, go ahead in the, I'm giving you a poll actually to answer this question. So click on the link with this post, with this video, and it'll just, is a really brief poll, super duper brief. It's just so that I can hear from you what your biggest struggles are. But so far from the polls that I've collected thus far, I would say the biggest struggle is fun. Like, parents are struggling to make math fun. Like, kids' language of learning is play. And I love how Peter Gray says that. If you don't know who Peter Gray is, please go ahead and search for his stuff. He's got amazing articles on Psychology Today. A lot of his works have influenced me. But he says that, I think that's one of the phrases that he has coined, is that the language of learning for kids is play. So it doesn't surprise me that parents would say, my biggest number one problem is fun. But I don't want to influence you. What is your particular problem? There's others as well. So far I have 22 responses from my personal audience. So, and I just sent it out. So I'd love to get at least 100 responses. And what I want to do is create a new resource, probably some kind of a guide, helping you in your homeschool math, but in a big way. Like, solve one problem, because I know you don't have much time for, a lengthy guide or ebook to read through. Homeschool parents are some of the busiest people on the planet. I mean, just incredible. Raising the kids, being a partner, unless you're, if you're a single parent, boy, hats off to you there too, because, it certainly doesn't get any easier. And then with the add on top of that, the events that are going on in the world with this massive pandemic, and people are in isolation, so the workload is even more intense. So I want to just give you something brief, a quick read that will help you have an easy win, an amazing and easy win in your math, your homeschool math. So go ahead and click on that link with this video. Fill out that brief poll, and if you give me your email, you'll be giving me your email. I'm not sure how long I'm going to leave this poll open. I actually would like to leave it open indefinitely. So if you give me your email, you'll be hearing from me about the resource. So just fill that out real quick and easy. Let me talk about some of the other responses that I've gotten so far. That the kids aren't interested, Kids' language of learning, once again, is play. And if it's not fun and playful, they just check out, Same with adults. I mean, we like the things that we pursue, like the interests that you and I pursue as adults, we want them to be fun too, but especially children. where their language of learning is play. Math does need to be fun. So, all right, so you'll be hearing from me soon when I release that resource. So once again, just go ahead and fill out that poll, and you'll be hearing from me with the results. I'll probably just share them, the results with you here as well. And awesome sauce. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I will talk to you tomorrow.